guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Guys, from the title and from these lips that need help, I'm going to be showing you another lip combo using Blue Babe Cosmetics, because a lot of people are intimidated by a black lipstick or black lip liner, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get a good combo that you can wear with lots of outfits. God, I'm sorry, but the melanin girlies already know the beauty, the majesty that is a black lip liner and a lip combo, so I needn't say too much, but I'm going to show you guys Sweet Sadie's, which is a black, and Nudist, what is in the name, is a nude. This is a more neutral nude, not very pinky. Together they make a really, really nice combo. You can stop here and leave it matte or add a gloss. But if you guys are ready to get into this lip combo using the black liquid lip kit in Sweet Sadie's and Nudist, keep on watching. So for the liner, you can either use the liquid lipstick or the lip liner that it comes with. Here is Sweet Sadie's. You see how dark that is and rich? It's beautiful. You can use the liner if you want more control. If you want more of an ombre, like more of an ombre that you don't like, you'll figure it out later, you'll go with the liquid lipstick. I'm gonna go into the liner and I'm just gonna line my lips. And I'm hitting the inner corner of my mouth to create a slight ombre at first. And then if I need to go back, I will go ahead and just clean that up. And I am going over my Cupid's bow, which is why I opted for the lip liner, just a little bit easier. With the liquid lipstick, it can be a bit of a mess. So just be careful and watch out for that. All right, once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and oh, look at me. Right, so I'm okay with the liner right now. Create a little ombre, left a little space. I think it's perfect. With your lip liners, guys, please do not try to sharpen it. I know it's hard. I know there are some lip liners and eyeliners that have a hard case that you can sharpen. This is not this. If you need more product, just twist the bottom for it to come up, and you can twist it back down. If the tip is not sharp enough and it becomes a little bit too blunt for what you want to do, you can just pop off the bottom and you can go ahead and sharpen it with this. You can just pop it back on. See? We got you. We got you. So next we're going into Nudist. All of the packages for lip kits look the same, but there is a sticker with the name and color on the back, so you know exactly what you're getting into. If you throw away the packaging, look at that, brand new. If you throw away the packaging, the names are also on the bottom with the sticker. Here you have the liquid lipstick and the lip liner. I'm going into the liquid lipstick. It's so I showed you guys Undressed before, which has more of like pink undertones. This is a more neutral, and I think it very closely matches my eye makeup right now. And I'm just gonna hit that center with it. Look at that, we have a nice flat doe foot, and it's just going to glide. So I'm going to hit the center like this. And I think that's about it for there. I'm now going to go back into my black lip liner just to clean it up. And I'm going to just twist it up a little and get off some of that foundation that was on there just to make it more rich. And I'm going to just clean up exactly where I want it to be and darken that up. Okay, and here is the lip combo. Now please keep in mind that it goes on really creamy, but it dries down super matte, y'all. It dries down so matte, but it's definitely comfortable and wearable for the entire day. If you did want to go ahead and make it a glossy look, I do recommend going in with Naked. This is our Luster lip gloss. It is very pigmented. I used it in the last combo, but it is so pretty. It has a similar doe foot, and is actually quite similar to Nudist. But that is it. We're ready to go. I actually love this lip combo. I use a black all the time. If the black is still a little bit too much for you, you can go in with a brown and achieve a similar look, but a little bit more soft. You can use a little, you know, just use a... It's 4th of July, guys. They've already started. But if you wanted something a little bit more subtle, of course, I recommend going with the brown lip liner or not using too much of the black. If you wanted a little bit more intense, absolutely go in with the black liquid lipstick in Sweet Sadie's instead of the liner. But that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. If you can't tell, it's super hot. My hair completely dropped and it hasn't been even an hour. But if you would like to try any of my lip products, any of my beauty products at all, make sure you check out bluebabecosmetics.com. You can scan the QR code on the screen if you're watching on the TV. But that's going to be it for this video. If you liked the video, please like the video. It helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.